Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix your charging problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video. I am going to tell you about how to fix it. So friends, as you can see, I have input this type C charging lead and it is not charging here, as you can see. So as you can see, I have put this power bank for this and it is not charging here. So how you can fix? Firstly, if your this cable is broken, don't use it and check if it is not working. Check your adapter also if it is not working, or you can just connect it with another smartphone. And you have to check your port also, if inside port there is a dust inside it and some is broken also, so you have to check it. Then friends, you have to, if there is a bug or a glitch, battery glitch, you have to simply click on settings, scroll down. I am talking about the software level. If there is any hardware problem, so it can't be fixed by these steps, you have to just go to your nearby service center. So I am telling you in the software level how you can fix it. Firstly, open all the application, click on three dots, right here Google Play Services. You have to just clear cache this and clear data. Then friends, right here Android system, and you have to click on storage and cache, simply clear cache this, so then it will be fixed. So as you can see, you have to just sometimes update your smartphone if you have not updated, most recently updated. So you have to do a software update, then restart your device or reboot your smartphone, and then your charging will be done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.